afternoon we are trying to find Hangaran Oya Waterfall. So we started from the Inguru Oya Train Station. We found our guides. Now we are on the top of the waterfall. Very long hike, but very nice view. Unfortunately, we couldn't get closer to the waterfall from this side. We were told that we could reach the base of the waterfall by following the river from the train station, but at least we could get some nice drone shots. After taking the wrong way on the other side, we couldn't get down, we didn't know the path, so we went all the way up to the top, crossed again and took the same way back. So now it's night time, as you can see, and we found the road, so now it's just a question of 20 minutes going down and we'll be back to the car. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.